The series includes 4 models varying in the output power per channel from 2 to 3.5 kV. All amplifiers are enclosed in the same metal case. A visible difference can be found only on the rear panel. The difference is in the output connectors and in the power cord connector. The amplifiers are installed into a standard rack as prescribed in the manuals. The depth of the amplifier is 461 mm. The amplifier is designed for use on tour, so the casing has been made to withstand rough tour conditions. The handles are very convenient, easy to grip, and in general, the amplifier enclosed in the robust steel case weighs only 14 kilos. Beside the waterproof powder coating, the amplifier case has also a zinc coating. The feet of the amplifier have slots for screws to fasten the back of the amplifier to the rack. All fixing screws are countersunk or recessed. The top cover is firmly secured. It does not bend or vibrate. The front panel has symmetrical styling. The central part of the panel accommodates a power switch, the input signal attenuators, and the level LEDs. The input signal attenuators are ALPS precise calibrated regulators. They are smooth yet firmly settable in position. The control dial is graduated in decibels. The indication of the amplifier is independent for each channel and consists of 6 segmental output level indicators and overload indicators, flip. Besides, on both sides you may see 2 other indicators. The alarm LEDs indicate failure of the respective channel of the amplifier, and the thermal LED go on in case of active thermal protection. On the right and on the left of the panel you may see easy removable dust filters. They are easy to remove and reinstall. Please note that it is extremely important to clean the filters from time to time, as clogged filters may impair cooling of the amplifier. The low-end and high-end models within the line of the amplifiers differ in their rear panel. The GS4, GS5 are provided with conventional 30 A speak-on connectors, while the GS6, GS7 models have more powerful 40 A Neutrik speak-on connectors. To connect speak-on system to the lower-grade models, we also recommend using 40 A connectors, iso-moisture-proof NLT4FX or conventional NL4FX. The first channel speak-on connectors has both channels outputs of the amplifier. This connector may be used to connect either to one speaker system in the bridge mode or to 2 speaker systems with a single cable. The power sockets are also different. The low-end models are provided with a 20 A power con, while the high-end models with a 32 A power con. The power cords match the power connectors too, so the high-end models are furnished with a 4 square millimeters power cord, while the low-end models with 2.5 square millimeters power port. The power cord of the high-end models is outfitted with loose clamp tips for connection to a power distribution board. The input and through XLR connectors are parallel. Each channel is provided with a sensitivity switch with 3 positions: 0.775 volt, 1.4 volt, and a fixed gain at 32 decibel position. The sensitivity of 0.775 can rarely be found in such power amplifiers. However, changing from low-power amplifiers over to high-power amplifiers often entails a compatibility problem in terms of sensitivity. That is why we have decided that this sensitivity should remain too. In addition, each channel is provided with a cutoff filter mode switch. You may set the required cutoff frequency or disable the filter. The cutoff filter slope is 18 dB per octave. In the center there is a mode switch: mono, stereo, bridge. In the mono and bridge mode, the input signal does not go to the amplifier through the first channel input connector. The amplifier contains 4 cooling fans. You can see 2 of them through the vents in the rear panel. The other 2 are located behind the front panel. You can see them when you remove the dust filters. The amplifier is equipped with the so-called magnetic levitation fans, or maglev fans. They do not have conventional bearings. The axis of the fans is held in the position by the magnetic field, so there is no friction and wear. The fans are very reliable in operation and retain their functionality at high temperature, which is quite important for such high-power amplifiers. Let us switch the amplifier on. The level LEDs light up for a while. It means that the amplifier starts a self-testing procedure. Besides, the fans start full speed running for a short while too. During this process, the amplifier cleans up its heat sinks and checks the operability of the fans. In the idle mode, the fans are very quiet. The amplifier is packaged in the robust cotton. Inside the cotton, beside the amplifier, there is a power cord, 2 spare dust filters, an operating manual and a 3-year warranty card. The so long warranty period is a remarkable thing for such sophisticated machine and a positive proof that Spark Audio is confident of the reliability of its new products. The next information video will describe in more detail the technicalities and design feature of the amplifier.